Rollovers are some of the worst car accidents imaginable, but there are a number of steps that you could take to minimize their likelihood and severity. Hi, I'm speaking on behalf of Hensley Legal Group, a personal injury law firm based out of Indiana. I'd like to discuss how to prevent a rollover accident. Speeding can make rollovers more probable and more lethal. Never exceed the posted speed limit and be ready to slow down when conditions warrant it. A vehicle can tip over if it changes course too quickly, so be sure to anticipate any upcoming turns and try to complete them carefully. Too many drivers panic after a close call, which could sometimes make matters worse. Keeping calm as you steer is the key to keeping your vehicle steady in high-pressure situations. Many of those high-pressure situations could be avoided entirely if you simply paid attention. So, do your best to ignore distractions and focus on the task at hand. Drinking and driving is both highly illegal and incredibly foolish. Stay sober so you won't get pulled over or roll over. Drowsiness can be as incapacitating as drunkenness, which is why it's vital to get your rest before you get behind the wheel. Pack your vehicle wisely so it maintains its balance. Never exceed the manufacturer's load rating. Secure the cargo so it doesn't shift during transit. And spread the contents evenly throughout the storage space, putting the heaviest items as low to the floor and close to the center as you can. A damaged or improperly inflated tire is a rollover accident waiting to happen. So, check your tires regularly, inflate or repair them when needed, and replace them whenever they're no longer viable. Verify that any vehicle you purchase going forward satisfies the minimum electronic stability control specifications recommended for reducing rollovers. Close to 75% of rollover accidents take place in rural areas, so exercise heightened caution on rural roads, where the higher speed limits and the lack of concrete barriers could make you more susceptible to rolling over. Finally, wear a seatbelt, which may do little to stop a rollover, but can do a whole lot to stop you from getting hurt in one, keeping you from bouncing around inside your vehicle or getting ejected from it. If you found this video useful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. And if you've been injured in a rollover accident, contact Hensley Legal Group, where we've been fighting for the innocent victims of negligence since 1998.